Have you ever wondered how the fresh, delicious orange juice in your fridge is made? Tangerine from perfect, sun-ripened oranges to the smooth, vibrant liquid in your cup, it's a fascinating process you've never seen before. Today, we're going inside It all starts with the fruit itself. Only the highest quality oranges make it into the factory. Workers and machines carefully inspect each orange, removing any that are damaged, overripe, or underdeveloped. Every fruit must be perfect, because the taste of the juice depends on it. Step 2. Washing. Next, the oranges go through a thorough washing process. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes remove dirt, dust, and any traces of pesticides. The oranges tumble and spin in sparkling clean water, ready for the next step. Step 3. Sorting and grading. Once clean, the oranges are sorted by size and quality. Bigger, juicier oranges often go into premium juice, while smaller ones might be used for blends. Some factories use machines with sensors to grade the fruit, while others still rely on skilled workers to select the best pieces. Step 4. Peeling and extraction. Now comes the part that really turns oranges into juice. Depending on the type of juice, oranges may be peeled or sliced in half. Then they go through industrial presses, squeezing out every drop of juice. Pulp, seeds, and peel are removed during this process, leaving a smooth, vibrant liquid ready for refinement. Step 5. Filtration. Even after pressing, the juice isn't completely smooth yet. It passes through fine filters that remove remaining pulp and tiny particles. This gives your juice that silky texture you love, without losing any natural flavor. Step 6. Pasteurization. To make sure the juice is safe and lasts longer, it goes through pasteurization. This involves heating the juice to high temperatures for a short period, killing bacteria and preserving flavor. Step 7. Concentration and storage. Some factories create orange juice concentrate. This means they remove some of the water, leaving a thicker, more transportable liquid. Concentrate is easier to ship, and can later be mixed with water to create fresh juice at bottling facilities around the world. Step 8. Mixing and flavor adjustment. Next, the juice is blended to ensure consistent taste across all bottles. Natural flavors, vitamins, or sugar might be added. Industrial mixers rotate the juice slowly, ensuring every drop tastes just right. Step 9. Bottling and packaging. Now the juice is ready for packaging. Automated machines fill bottles or cartons at incredible speeds, sealing them perfectly to lock in freshness. Labels are applied, and the juice moves along conveyor belts, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. Step 10. Quality control and distribution. Finally, every batch undergoes quality control. Random bottles are tested for taste, color, and safety. Once approved, the juice is packed into boxes and loaded onto trucks, heading to supermarkets and your local stores. From orchard to your fridge, the journey of orange juice is precise, controlled, and fascinating. If you loved seeing how orange juice is made, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more amazing behind-the-scenes videos.